this lecture we are going to learn how to plot the density of a chi-square random variable using MS Excel software package. If y is a random variable which follows chi-square distribution with k degrees of freedom, then the probability density function of y is given by this formula. And y takes positive value, this gamma is the gamma function and k is the degrees of freedom. First create a column of values on random variable big Y, and please note that y is greater than or equal to 0. Write y in column A and start at 0 and then 0.5 and go up to say 10. So here it is, and now we need to write this expression on the right hand side, which is probability density function of this random variable big Y, which takes value between 0 and 10 in our case now. So in next column type f of y. In order to calculate f of y, we need to add the information on k, which is degrees of freedom. So right here, degree freedom is k is suppose 4. In this cell, I'm going to type this expression on the right hand side. So put an equal sign and then y raised to power k over 2 minus 1. So y is located here in cell A2. This raised to power k over 2, k is located in G1. So use dollar sign to fix it. So k slash 2 minus 1 and close this parenthesis. So I have calculated y raised to power k by 2 minus 1, and now multiply this expression with e raised to power minus y over 2. Before multiplying, closing this within the parenthesis just to make sure that we are doing it right. And now exp for exponential and then minus y over 2. Minus y over 2 is actually 1 by 2 times y. 1 by 2 is 0.5 times y. Y is located in A2. Close this parenthesis and this one as well. So now we have calculated this expression in the numerator. Now divide this with this product. Put slash for division and gamma of k over 2. Gamma of k over 2. K is located in G1. Put dollar sign to fix it, k over 2, close this parenthesis. So we have calculated gamma of k over 2, put a steric sign for multiplication, then 2 raised to power k over 2. 2 raised to power k is in again G1, use dollar sign to fix it, k over 2. Slash 2, close this parenthesis as well, and finally you need to close this parenthesis and this one too. Press enter. Here it is. So when y is 0, the value of probability density function is 0. Copy this command downward. Once you are done with this, select both columns, go to the insert, scatter option and choose this one. So here is the density plot of chi-square distribution with 4 degrees of freedom. Now let's play with this degrees of freedom. Change it to 2. So here is the curve, change it to 1. Here is the curve. And by the way, when degrees freedom is 1, value of density function is not defined at y equals 0. It is saying that division by 0. Now increase this degrees freedom from 1 to 3. Press enter. This is the shape. By the way, you can see that the chi-square distribution is right skewed. Now let's increase its degrees freedom from 3 to 5. Here is the curve. So this is all about plotting this chi-square distribution in Excel software package. There is an alternative way of doing this as well. Instead of doing the calculations manually, we can use the Excel built-in function as well to calculate this probability density function. So here in this next cell, f of y via built-in function. So type equal sign and then chi-square dot dist parenthesis, and the first argument is x. X is the value of random variable big Y, which is 0 in our case, located in A2, comma degrees freedom in G1, use the dollar sign to fix it, and comma cumulative type false. Close this parenthesis, press enter. It is 0, so this value should match with this one that we already did using manual calculations. Copy this command downward. So you can see that all values are exactly matching. So this also confirms our manual calculation. In future, it's up to you whether you use this manual method shown here or you use this built-in command chi-square.dist. So this is all about plotting this chi-square distribution in Excel software package.